Hey, can I get you to turn on that soft light for me? Cool, thanks. Hey, what's going on? This is Reed, aka Carnivore Chef. And in today's video, I'm going to be making chicken and waffles. It's a little weird one because it's protein waffles, and I feel like people on this diet don't particularly like protein powder. You know what I mean? And I get it. Like, there's great sources of protein everywhere in this diet, so it's a little weird of me to use powder, but it is what it is. I'm tired of eating the same ground beef and egg waffles constantly, and I hope you understand. Really hope I don't do a disservice to this dish because it's just such a good combination no matter how you have it. You know, it's two great things. Why would you not like fried chicken and waffles, you know? So if you're as hungry as I am, let's get started. Oh, there's no syrup or anything in this waffle, so don't be afraid to think that I'm about to make a carnivore syrup, because all carnivore syrup is hollandaise sauce. Oh no. Oh, the sun's going away. All right, let's get this going before it gets too dark out here and you can't see anything I'm doing. Oh God, waffle. Oh!
To be honest, use any type of chicken you want here. I'm going to use bone-in skin on chicken thighs. Crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl and add about 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Next, get about 2 ounces of pork panko and place it on a flat-ish plate or bowl. You don't have to do this, but I'd really appreciate it if you added a 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder to your pork panko. Just if you can. Take your chicken and first dip it in your egg wash, and then into your pork crumbs. I thought I was being smart here by shaking it around, but skip the step and just bread these bad boys by hand. Now, place this into an oven set to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and cook the chicken for 25 to 35 minutes, or until your chicken has reached a USDA approved internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit at the bone. Please follow the rules. The waffle batter here is super simple. It's 2 scoops of whatever protein you want, 2 eggs, a half teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 cup of water. I got the cheapest protein I could find here, which was a mistake. The powder uses sucralose as a sweetener, and it's just god-awful. I suggest use a protein powder that you're familiar with and enjoy the taste of, and preferably vanilla. If you're using unflavored protein powder, use your 2 scoops still and maybe 2 tablespoons of erythritol. Anyways, whisk this together until completely smooth. Now, preheat your waffle iron to about a medium heat if it has the option. Next, try not to make a whole ass mess like I did, and be more reasonable when you fill it. I was super happy when I lifted the lid up and that it didn't look like garbage from all of the batter flowing out of it. Okay, place a piece of your chicken on top of the waffle and drizzle it with whatever you want. I used a Chipotle Hollandaise that just worked super well. The waffles were really fluffy and the chicken was perfect and crunchy. I've made protein waffles plenty of times in the past, but I think this is the first time I actually nailed it. Like I said earlier, just use protein powder that you enjoy. Well, that's the video. Did you enjoy it? If so, please hit that like button for me. If you're interested in following along, you should hit that subscribe button. Stay waffly, my friends.